వ్యూవర్స్ వామ్ వెల్కమ్ టు జేడీ రియాల్టర్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో మీరు అర్బన్ గ్రీన్స్ విలాస్ అనే ప్రాజెక్ట్ యొక్క డీటెయిల్స్ తెలుసుకోబోతున్నారు. ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ వచ్చేసి కొల్లూరు పార్టీ దగ్గర ఎగ్జిట్ నెంబర్ 2 సిచ్యువేషన్ అండి. మీరు చూస్తున్నటువంటి ఈ ఎలివేషన్ వచ్చేసి డే టైమ్ ఎలివేషన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్ట్రీట్ వ్యూ. అండ్ in this property there is a club house. This is the club house, 2 floors club house with fully loaded amenities. And right now this property is under construction and which will take to complete the project next 2.5 years plus 6 months grace period. This is under RERA property. Total 8.5 acres this project spread over, and in that 93 villas are coming up, sir. You can see these villas are under construction. This project is developing by S Square Infra. This company has more than 14 years of experience in civil engineering. They did a number of projects in Hyderabad. You can see all villas have started. Work is under progress. You can see this is G+2 150 square yards villa, 150 square yards plot size, and the construction area is 2425 SFT. The quality is very good. You can see this is other villa which is 240 square yards, and built up area is 3316 square feet. This is the site. This project is adjoining to the service road, and in front of this property there is a 100 feet master plan road is there, and this property is in special growth corridor zone, which is less than 500 meters of the outer ring road. Outer ring road is very large project in Hyderabad. See, this property value means appreciation never ending, means it unstoppable growth will be there in terms of the appreciation to the property. That is the biggest advantage. And another advantage also, that main access is from the service road. You don't need to go to the village and take the streets and come out and take the service road and take the outer ring road. No, this is from service road you can direct access to the project. That is the private road which we have, and right now that is the biggest advantage to you. And this is very close to the like international schools and IT companies. Financial district is less than 15 to 18 kilometers, and Nalagandla, Patancheru, the Muttangi junction, all this very 5 to 10 minutes drive, and hospitals all are very proximity to this project. And you can see the quality. This is one of the villa is under construction. For your idea, we are showing this villa under construction. Also you can understand by seeing this cross ventilation and light and air, and between the villas also there is a sufficient space has given. This is master bedroom at ground level. This is the main entrance and drawing. Lift lobby also is there. It is a provision. You have to install the lift after buying your villa. Staircases. First floor you have one family living and 2 bedrooms here. There is a big balcony, and elevation of these villas are very good. This is the view. You can see that is the outer ring road. You can see there is a lorry is moving on outer ring road. For your idea, we are zooming it. There are vehicles are going on outer ring road. Yeah. For more property details, pricing and bookings, contact on our number 9491807979, and you can also visit our website www.jdrealtors.in. We are a property consultancy in Hyderabad. If you have any other requirements also, you can inquire us. Almost in this project 50 to 60% sales already sold out. If anybody is looking for a villa in this particular location, kindly contact as soon as possible to get your desired villa, and 100% you will be satisfied by the quality of the construction, because they have that much of experience in the field of engineering. You can see the quality of brick also they are utilizing using for the construction. It is very good. Red brick, very strong, strength also is good. I observed that there is no wastage in terms of brick also. There are two types in terms of bricks. There is a cement brick, which is strong cement brick, and other is red brick. Whichever you need, you can go for that. There is a facility for you. The villa consolidation also is doing very carefully. You can see that is also under our property. Kindly subscribe our channel if you are watching first time, and if it is useful to somebody, your friends, family members, kindly share this video to them. They will buy a right property with your help. And if you like our videos, kindly like our video and share it